Don't drink sugar calories. You should not drink sugary drinks, as they are the most fattening drinks you can put in your body. Sugary drinks are the most fattening substance you can put in your body. Sugary drinks are strongly associated with obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and all kind of health problems. The fruit juice are almost as bad as soda. Eat nuts. You should consume nuts, despite being high in fat. The nuts are incredibly nutritious and healthy. They contain magnesium, vitamin A, fiber, and other nutrients. They can help you lose weight and fight type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Avoid processed junk food. Eat real food instead. You should not consume highly processed food. All processed junk foods in the diet are the main reason why the world is fatter and sicker than ever. Don't fight coffee. You should drink coffee. Coffee is high in antioxidants, and studies show that coffee drinks live longer and have a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, and numerous other diseases. Eat fatty fish. You should eat fish more often. Studies show that people who eat fish frequently have lower risk of all sorts of diseases, including heart diseases, dementia, and depression due to the content of fatty acids and omega-3. Get enough sleep. You should sleep 6 to 8 hours daily. Lack of sleep can result in insulin resistance, decreases levels of appetite hormones quickly, and reduces the performance of the physical and mental state. It is a risk factor for weight gain. One study showed that short sleep periods were related to an 18-19% increase in the risk of obesity in children and 55% in adults. Take care of your gut health with probiotics and fibers. You should consume probiotics daily. The alteration of the intestinal flora can lead to obesity. Therefore, it is recommended to take yogurt, probiotic supplements, and eat a lot of fiber. Drink some water, especially before meals. You should drink plain water more often. According to studies, it can boost metabolism by 24 and 30% over a period of 1-15 hours. This can amount to 96 additional calories burned if you drink 2 liters of water per day. Don't overcook or burn your meat. You should avoid very cooked meat. Meat is a nutritious and healthy is a part of the diet, as it is rich in protein and contains important nutrients. Avoid bright lights before sleep. You should avoid bright lights when we're exposed to bright lights in the evening. This disrupts production of the sleep hormone melatonin. This don't allow us the sleep and the rest better. Vitamin D3 if you don't get much sun. You should consume foods rich in vitamin D. Eat If adequate sun exposure is not an option for you, then supplementing with vitamin D has been shown to have numerous benefits for health. This includes improved bone health, increased in strength, reduced symptoms of depression, and lower risk of cancer, to name a few. Vitamin D may also help you live longer. Eat vegetables and fruits. You should consume fruits and vegetables more often. They are loaded with prebiotics, fibers, vitamins, minerals, and all sorts of antioxidants, some of which have potent biological effects. Make sure to eat enough protein. You should consume more protein-rich foods. Eating enough protein is incredibly important, and many experts believe that the recommended daily intake is too low. Protein is particularly important for weight loss and works via several different mechanisms. Do some cardio or hoods while more. You should do cardiovascular exercise. Doing aerobic exercise or cardio is one of the best things you can do for your mental and psychical health. It is particularly effective at reducing belly fat, the harmful type of fat that builds up around your organs. Don't smoke or do drugs, of only drink in moderation. You should avoid alcoholic beverage and harmful substances. Use extra virgin olive oils. You should use olive oils. Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants that can fight inflammation. Minimize your intake of added sugars. You should avoid the usage of sugar. A high intake of added sugars is linked to numerous diseases, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and many forms of cancer. Don't eat a lot of refined carbohydrates. You should avoid foods while refined carbohydrates. Refined carbs have been highly processed and have had all the fiber removed from them. They are low in nutrients and petri calories and can be extremely harmful. Don't fear saturated fat. You should avoid foods with saturated fats. Saturated fats increase cholesterol, but also increase the good cholesterol and change the LDL from small to large, which is related to a lower risk of heart disease. Lift heavy things. You should lift weights when you exercise. Lifting weights is one of the best things we can do. You strengthen the body and improve body composition in addition to improving insulin sensitivity. Avoid artificial trans fats. You should avoid foods with trans fats. Artificial trans are harmful man-made fats that are strongly linked to inflammation and heart disease. Use plenty of herbs and spices. You should do your food more often as well as aromatic herbs. You should make an effort to include as many different herbs and spices as you can. Many of them can have powerful beneficial effects on your health. They have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Take care of your relationships. You should socially and meet more with your friends. Studies show that people who are close with friends and family are healthier and live much longer than those who are not. Track your food intake every night and then you should use the nutritional labels to have a better control of the calories you consume. The only one they know exactly what you are eating is to weigh your food and use a nutrition tracker. This is important to know how many calories you are eating. It is also essential to ensure that enough protein, fiber, and micronutrients are ingested. If you have excess belly fat, get rid of it. You should start to get rid of abdominal fat by starting to change your lifestyle. It is mostly the fat in your abdominal cavity, the belly fat, that cause problems. These fat wheels of harm the organs and is strongly linked to metabolic disease. Cutting carbs, adding more protein, and adding plenty of fiber are excellent ways to rid of belly fat. Don't you want a diet? You should avoid diets. Instead of going on a diet, try adopting a healthier lifestyle. Focus on nourishing your body instead of depriving it. Eat it and don't throw away the yolk. You should consume the whole egg. It is a milk that is are bad for you because of the cholesterol. Studies show that they have no effect on blood cholesterol in the majority of people.